Two steps to write 13's time table. First is write 3 times table and do addition 10, 20, 30, 40 like this up to 100. Now the result is 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 119 and 130. Here is our 13's timetable available. Now no need to learn or memorize. If you want 13 times table, if you want 13 into 8, only write 3 into 8 is equal to 24 and do addition 80. It is 104. You can write anywhere. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Have a nice day.